friends, welcome back to my cozy kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken fried rice. So, let's begin. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is cook our chicken here, which really you can substitute anything in here for the chicken. It doesn't have to be chicken. It doesn't even have to be fresh. You can just take some leftover chicken or whatever from a previous meal and shove it in here. That's one of the beautiful things about fried rice. So we're just going to take this, cook it all the way through because I am using fresh raw chicken. So cook this and we'll go from there. So after cooking the chicken and making sure it is in fact cooked all the way through, we're not trying to make anyone sick. Gonna turn the heat down just a little bit. And then we'll move on to the next step. We'll add the rice. What I'm doing here is actually using some leftover rice from, well, my previous video. So yeah. Just add as much as you want here. Me, I'm going to add all of it, I think. Just like the chicken here, you can do it however you like. You can cook the rice fresh just for this meal, or you can do as I am and just use some leftover. There we go. There. So we'll stir in the rice here. if you're using the spare rice, there's a good chance it might have clumped together. So you just got to carefully break up those clumps there. Don't want to make a big old mess. All right. And step 3, or don't know if we can call it step 3 because the eggs here the eggs you can put in well, before the rice, after the rice. You can put it in after the next step if you want to. Or exclude it altogether, really. It's up to you. So really, this is a variable step. So we're going to mix in the eggs here. Well, let me put it this way. This is how I do it. I like to just mix in the eggs. What you can do is before you add the rice, put the eggs in, let them cook for a little bit, and then you scramble them up in here. Or pre-scramble, then insert, however you feel comfortable doing. Doing it this way, though, gives a little bit of egg taste to the whole thing, which I enjoy. Of course, stirring this up in here. And now comes step 65, I guess. Might as well. Soy sauce. One thing to remember is it is a large bottle here that I have, but a little bit goes a long way. So just do this. Do. I don't typically add salt to my fried rice because the soy sauce already contains that. And it can be quite potent if you add too much. So we got this in here. And I can definitely smell the soy sauce. Along with the other stuff, it smells pretty good. Now, if you feel that your food doesn't seem to be moist enough, you can always add a little bit of water. But right now it looks pretty good. So now we will turn the heat on low, give it a little bit more cooking time while we add seasoning. Now remember, for both soy sauce and seasoning, you can always add more if you want to, but you cannot take any out. So if anything else, just add a little bit at a time and taste it until you get the amount of seasoning in there that you like. I can smell that garlic powder. All right. A little bit of pepper never hurt anybody, I don't think. All right. Let's go ahead and turn the stove off. And there we have it. Chicken fried rice.